Hello guys. Today we're back with the Liftmaster garage door opener, and sorry if my dad's Tahoe is there. And this truck is parking in the driveway, and we're gonna close it right here. All right, now there's another way. This is my dad's Tahoe, by the way. He's in Mexico. All right, we're gonna open it back up. Which button is it? Which button? Come on, please. Oh, okay, let me figure this out. Perhaps. All right, try this button. All right, we're gonna close it from the outside. 1, 2, 3. Pretty cool indeed. Okay, now we're gonna open it back up again. Oops, that was my error. My dad's Tahoe's in there, by the way. All right. All right, let's close it one more time. It's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye, everyone. Oh, sorry about that, guys. There's a car honking, by the way. All right, guys, take care, and bye-bye.